Hi everyone, it's Russell here from The Presenter. I hope you are doing well. I just wanted to deliver a quick video to you to help you understand how you can refresh your demo presentations, especially right now when we're all being forced to present virtually for the vast majority of the time. Now, traditionally with demo presentations of physical products, we would, of course, travel to meet people in person. Remember those good old days? We'll get there again soon. But even though we'd have the physical product with us, we would still fire up a PowerPoint deck with images and bullet points and charts and graphs and lots of data, lots of cognitive overload for our audience. And of course, a lot of that data and content was really important, but it was delivered in quite a dry way. Now, add to that the fact that maybe for the last year or so you haven't been able to do those demo presentations in person. You've been forced to do them virtually, and you are now in a tiny little window at the top of someone's computer screen being viewed on your webcam. Now, what that can lead to, of course, is that your audience ends up completely lost because it's so difficult to just connect you and your content and the product that you're there to demo. So I want to give you this very quick tip on how you could use Prezi video to present a demo of a real product. And I'm going to use one of my favorite physical products. The sun is shining here in the UK, and so most evenings I'm enjoying one or maybe a few of these lovely Brewdog beers. But I'm just going to move some of these out of the way for a second so that I can show you how we would focus in on this physical product to demo it. It may be that we want to zoom into the product and actually show a bit of information. So we could use simple text and shapes to do that right there alongside the product and alongside me, the presenter. I'm a really important part, as you are, of every presentation that I deliver. We can then overlay some imagery on top of the product if we want to show ingredients of this particular beer and so on. And of course, we can bring in those charts and data that I talked about a second ago. They have their place. The audience will want to know that important data, so we can bring that and link it very closely to the physical product as well. And of course, we can do some neat things at the end of this, by just overlaying images on top very simply. So think about the physical products that you have to present. It doesn't have to be a beer. It could be a new drinks bottle. It could be some piece of technology, a new speaker, maybe even a running shoe. Whatever it might be, I would urge you to please consider Prezi video as a way of demoing virtually. If you think outside the box a little bit, you can really engage your audience and give them something that they really won't be expecting, especially for a virtual demonstration of a physical product. So that's all I want to share with you today. If you would like a free demo of Prezi video or even the Prezi Present tool itself, then please reach out to us on info@thepresenter.com, and we'll be more than happy to jump on a call with you, show you the software, show you what it's capable of, and how you can apply that to your own products and presentations. So the only thing left for me to do is really crack one of these open and enjoy. So thanks very much and cheers. Oh, damn, that's good.